Hi, from Automotive Scientific Incorporated. I will be talking about a 2002 Ford Think instrument cluster. We repair clusters that are dead or not functioning correctly. For example, the charge indicator doesn't light up on the screen when charging, or the cluster doesn't light up at all and won't let the cart move. We pre-test every one to confirm the customer's failure. We not only replace failed components, we also upgrade components that we know have high failure rates. We can 100% test all functions of the cluster to ensure that our customers are getting a fully functional part. If you need troubleshooting help, we also have the full Ford Think manual available on our website at autoecu.com. This is an example of our testing procedure. We test the key modes to ensure the drive, turf, and reverse will function correctly. It will beep when it is in reverse. We also ensure the cluster reads the speed signal correctly and that it will detect a leak. The cluster clicks about every 20 seconds to do the leak test. When this indicator shows up, you know it's functioning correctly. We also check the charge indicator here, the parking brake indicator, and the brake fluid level indicator. The turn signals and the trip button. At last, we test the self-diagnostic function of the cluster. This is to ensure that there are no DTCs stored in the memory. When the little wrench shows up, it says it's in diagnostics mode. At that time, there was no fault code stored in the system. If there would have been, they would display here as a number, and you can switch through to see if there's more than one by pressing select. Then we also ensure that you can change it from miles per hour to kilometers. And that concludes our testing procedure of the Ford Think instrument clusters.